Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can unblock any YouTube channel. So let's go to YouTube first. Then you'll find on top right corner your profile icon. Click on this and go to YouTube Studio. Then what you're going to do is scroll down and you'll find here settings. Go to settings. After settings you'll find these options. You have to go to community, then scroll down and you can see your channel which have you already blocked. Okay, so if you want to unblock this, click on this cross or remove, and now click on save. After click on save, the profile or the channel you have blocked already have been unblocked. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.